This lens doesn't get much love on the internet. A bit weird in my opinion. I would like to introduce you to the Nikon 40mm f2.8 Micro NIKKOR DX lens. This lens is always somewhat in the shadow of the 35mm f1.8 DX lens. But I personally think the 40mm has more to offer. This 40mm lens is truly an all-rounder like a Swiss army knife. You can use this lens as a walk-around lens that can be used for portrait, landscape, studio and of course macro photography. The cornerstone of any lens is its image quality, and the Nikon 40mm DX f2.8 does not disappoint. The lens captures images with stunning clarity, razor-sharp details and vibrant colors. Whether shooting wide open at f2.8 or stopping down, the lens maintains exceptional sharpness across the frame, ensuring breathtaking results in every shot. The lack of distortion and chromatic aberration further enhance the image quality, allowing for true-to-life representations of the scenes captured. You'd expect sharpness, and it delivers in spades. The details are so crisp, it's as if you can reach out and touch your subject. One of the most striking aspects of this lens is its versatility. Not limited to macro photography, the Nikon 40mm DX proves to be an all-rounder, excelling in various genres such as portraiture, street photography and even landscapes. When it comes to macro photography, this lens reveals its true strengths, allowing you to explore a mesmerizing world of tiny details. With a 1:1 magnification ratio and a minimum focusing distance of just a few centimeters, this lens empowers photographers to unveil the hidden beauty in the tiniest subjects. Prepare to enter a whole new world. The intricate textures of a butterfly's wing, the mesmerizing patterns on a tiny ladybug. It's like Alice in Wonderland, only better and without the tea parties. The silent wave motor ensures smooth and nearly silent focusing, making it suitable for both photography and videography. The speed of the autofocus is quite fast, locking onto subjects with precision and accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. This quick response is invaluable when capturing fleeting moments or fast-moving subjects. The lens's wide aperture of f2.8 allows for delightful bokeh and pleasing background blur, adding a touch of magic to portraits and close-up shots. The creamy bokeh renders backgrounds into dreamy, painterly textures, further emphasizing the main subject and isolating it beautifully from distractions. Of course, this lens does not have an aperture of f1.4, so you should not require background blur like a super fast lens. But with the right setup, you can achieve very nice results at f2.8. I would like to show you some examples of what you can shoot with this lens. If you have any doubts, this is indeed the original Aston Martin that James Bond used, including the special headlights that are multifunctional. This lens can be used for the reproduction of works of art. Due to the virtually non-existent distortion, this lens is extremely suitable for this. The 35mm f1.8 DX lens is a lot worse in this regard. The paintings you see here were made by me. I'm a painter first and foremost. The Nikon 40mm f2.8 Micro NIKKOR DX lens typically exhibits very minimal distortion, making it a great choice for product photography and other situations where maintaining accurate proportions is crucial. In conclusion, the Nikon 40mm f2.8 Micro NIKKOR DX lens is a versatile choice for macro photography and can also serve well for general purpose photography. Its image quality, sharpness and macro performance are highlights, making it a popular option for Nikon DX format camera users. Anyone who has a Nikon DX camera should definitely give this lens a chance, especially since this lens can be bought new relatively cheaply and of course even cheaper on the second-hand market. This lens is known for its excellent sharpness, even when shooting at its widest aperture of f2.8. When stopped down a bit, it delivers tech-sharp images, making it suitable for macro photography as well as general close-up and portrait work. It's like having a secret weapon up your sleeve, ready to strike at any moment. I'm already convinced of the qualities that this lens has. Do you also use this lens? Be sure to let us know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing. Bye.